The Horch Cie motor wagon works was founded today in 1904 in Germany. August Horch, an engineer, was the founder. Due to a management conflict, Horch left the company and founded the original Audi automobile work after being prohibited from using Horch in the name. Audi is the Latin translation of Horch, which in German means listen. Both the companies Horch and Audi merged with two other companies, DKW and Wanderer, to form Auto Union Corporation and subsequently the present-day Audi. Audi's logo of the four interlocking rings symbolized that original merger of the four companies. Audi, headquartered in Bavaria, Germany, is among the best-selling luxury automobile brands in the world. Audi's Quattro four-wheel drive cars revolutionized rallying motorsport form with speed tests, navigation tests, and more. It won numerous rallies in the 80s. Audi was also the first company to crash test their cars in 1938. For more today in STEM history, subscribe now.